All right, let's start with the most basic question. What is AI? What AI means is computers or systems that can learn on its own from data and help humans with that knowledge. So that's basically what AI is. So it can learn on its own from the data that we give them and help us with what it learns. Now, if we take humans, humans can think on their own. Humans can learn on their own. Humans can make decisions on their own. And humans can recognize patterns and a lot more. But when it comes to AI, pardon my handwriting, when it comes to AI, what do you think it can do? Like I said earlier, AI can learn on their own, right? What else? Do you think they can think? No, they can't think on their own. They can't make decisions on their own, but they can recognize patterns from this learning right here. Okay, so let me take this here as well. So these are the two things they can do on their own. They can learn and they can recognize patterns. Now, let's dive a little bit deeper and try to understand how AI learns on their own. Okay, so like I said earlier, these AI models like ChatGPT has been trained with trillions of data. You heard right, trillions of data. Okay, because of this data, because of this training, it has become exceptionally good at recognizing patterns. Let's say you are asking a question. This question, there is a high probability that it has seen the exact same question or something similar to it from its training. Now, when you ask a question, it knows what might be the answer. Okay, so it's recognizing patterns based on data and it predicts an answer for you. That's all it does. All right, so it has this knowledge. You're asking a question and it tries to recognize patterns with the data that it has been trained with and it predicts an answer for you. Okay, simple enough, right? Because of this intense training and the capabilities like being able to learn on its own and recognize patterns and predict what we might want, now AI is capable of doing certain things better and faster than humans. So to sum it up, all AI can do is it can learn on its own and recognize patterns based on that learning and then gives answers based on what it has seen before. This is just a small part of my full beginner AI plus ChatGPT course. If you want to learn AI step by step, I've linked the full course below in the description. So that's it. That's what AI is, and that's how AI works. I hope you're clear. If you have any questions, please ask. Let's move on to the next one. I'll see you in the next lesson.